Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is third standard English third lesson, high and lifted up. High and lifted up. Already you have studied the lesson. In this lesson, in the previous period, we have studied some grammar points. Remaining grammar points today we are going to study. Okay? Here, page number 32. All of you open your textbook. Page number 32. Prefix. See here children, already you have studied what is mean by suffix. What is mean by suffix? Suffix is a group of letters added after a word to change its meaning. It is called suffix. For example, hurt is there. You have to add, after the hurt word, add y. Hurty. Ly you add hurtly. This like we should add after the word some letters. Okay, that is suffix. Today we are discuss about the prefix. Read the following sentence from the lesson. He ran over to get it but was unable to reach it. Listen carefully children here. Unable. Able. The opposite of able is unable. Okay? The word unable is formed by adding the prefix un to the word able. The able is a word when we add the un before the word. It will become unable. Okay? The word unable is the antonym of the word able. The word unable is the antonym of the word able. Okay? Prefix is a group of letters added before a word to change its meaning. The prefix un, when added to a word, form the antonym or opposite of the word. It is also called a negative prefix. Some examples I will show you. Some other negative prefixes that form antonyms when added to words are. See here children, I am, im. Add this one before the word. Possible, sadhya. Possible they have given here. Impossible. You have to add im before the word. You getting asadhya, impossible. See here. Practical. The word is practical. You should add here im before the word. Okay? This will become antonym, otherwise opposite word. Okay? These are the negative prefixes. Ill, legal. Okay? Illegal. Legal ಕಾನೂನುಬದ್ಧ, illegal ಕಾನೂನು ರಹಿತ, ಕಾನೂನುಬದ್ಧವಲ್ಲ. Okay? Illegible, illegible, ill. You have to add here ill, it will become a opposite meaning. Irregular is a compulsory. Irregular, not compulsory. Relevant. Irrelevant, it is the opposite word. Dependent, independent. You are dependent upon your parents. Independent. When you are able to lead the life, on that time you will become independent. Decent, indecent, in. See here. In, before adding the word. Before adding the letters, these will come prefix. Add the prefix an, im, il, ir or in to these words to form their antonyms. Possible. Right here, impossible. I am, P-O, S-S-I, B-L-E, impossible. Okay. Complete, incomplete, I-N-N, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Okay. Responsible, responsible person. Irresponsible. Bejawabdari. Reliable, unreliable. Unreliable. You have to add the given word. Tidy, untidy. You have to add the before given word tidy. Patient, impatient. Patient, impatient. Okay, I am add here. Logical, illogical, I'll add here. Rational, irrational. In maths already you know this one. Rational number, irrational numbers already you have studied. This like we have to understood. We have to understood the prefixes. Add before the word some letters. An, im, il, ir, in. These are the antonyms or negative prefixes. Next one, articles. A and the. These are the articles. These are the articles. Where should we use? Here should we use a and the. Read the following sentences from the lesson. If I were a leaf, I would fly in the blue sky across the world. Tommy thought this one. If I were a leaf, the blue, the word. If the wind blows you in that direction, an older leaf said, suddenly coming beside them, you will end up in the city dump. Notice the use of articles a and the. These are the articles. Definite and indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite, the is the definite. Articles a and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. They are used with singular nouns and adjectives. See here children, where we have to use a and an. Okay, first listen carefully this one, where we have to use a and an. We should use these a and an before singular nouns and adjectives. We use a and an when we talk about the noun for the first time or when we talk about a non-specific noun. We use article a before singular noun or adjectives that begin with the consonant sound. Where we have to spell that consonant sound, it will come. We have to write the before A, because there is a singular noun or adjective begins with the consonant sound. On that time only we want to write A. For example, a book. See here, book. B is a consonant, begins with consonant. Remember it. We should always add, or we should always write A before the word which begins with a consonant sound. Okay? We use article and before singular nouns or adjectives that begin with a vowel sound. For example, apple. A is a, see here children, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Already you know this. So, see here, begin with vowel sound. Before you have to write, on that word before you have to write an apple, an orange, an old book. This like, if there is a consonant, begins with a consonant sound words, on that time you have to write A. Article the is the called definite. It is definite. Which one is definite? I will come definitely. That like the definite word that is. It is used when we talk about the noun the second time or refer to a specific noun. I have a book, because it begins with the consonant. The book is the, because already the book is there, the book, so definitely book is there, we know that, so we have to use the second time, it is the. The book is very interesting. I saw a man on the road. Already you have seen the man. Where was he? The man. So in the second time you should use here the. The man was wearing a red t-shirt. This is the book I want you to read. This is the book. You know that it is definitely book. This is a perfectly book. You know that, so you have to write the book. Article the is also used when the noun names something which is one of a kind. The sun rises in the east. It will not change. Okay? So the is used here. The sky looks beautiful at night. So it is also perfect definite words, definite sentence. So you have to write here the. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. First one, Ravi is drawing tree, because tree. T is a consonant, begins with a consonant, so you have to write here A. Second one, dash sun gives us light and heat. The sun, the, because sun, it is definite. The sun is lives. Definitely it is the sun. Already you have seen. Okay? Name something which is one of kind. I have dash orange dress. Orange, A is there, begins with vowel, so you write an. Our school is organizing dash international science quiz. I is a vowel, write here an. Joy has a dash green bag. G is a consonant, you write here before A. Dash bag, already one time the bag has come, so in the second time you write TH, the. We will go to dash zoo tomorrow. The zoo is a perfect definite, that is, so you have to write the TH, the. Okay children? Okay, these are the articles when we have to use, where we have to use a and the. When the adjectives are the nouns, singular nouns or adjectives that begins with consonant, on that time you have to write the A before the word. Singular nouns are adjectives that begins with vowel sound. On that time you have to write an before the word. Then the is when we talk about the noun the second time or refer to a specific noun. On that time only you have to use th, the. These are the articles. Okay. These are main points of grammar. Okay. Prefix. Adding before I am, in, un, il, ir. These words you have to use before the word. On that time it will become, the meaning will become opposite or antonym. These are the prefixes. Today we have studied prefixes and articles. Okay children, I hope you are all understood this one. If you have any doubts, once again read these pages. Once again read the given sentences. Already they have explained everyone here. Then you have to write these given. Okay? Take care children. Bye.